In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Microsoft app to ensure you have the latest Copilot features. Making sure your apps are up to date is essential, not only to enjoy new features, but also to ensure improved performance and security. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft app or the Microsoft Store. This is your starting point for checking for any available updates. If you're accessing a specific Microsoft app, just launch that app directly. If you're unsure, you can go through the Microsoft Store for a comprehensive check of multiple apps at once. Now, once you're in the app or store, the next step is to check for Copilot updates. In both the app and the Microsoft Store, you'll usually find an option in the main menu labeled Updates or Check for Updates. This option will often be located in a section labeled Settings or Help. Depending on which app version you are using, it can vary slightly, but your goal here is to locate where you can manually check for updates rather than waiting for automatic ones, which can sometimes take a while to become available. In the Microsoft Store, specifically, you can find updates by navigating to the library, where you should see an option to Get Updates. Click on that, and the system will check if there are any updates available for your apps. This includes any updates for the Copilot feature you're interested in. If you're doing this from within an individual app, look for similar language in the help or support areas. Once you've identified available updates, you'll need to download and install these. In most cases, this process is straightforward. You just have to click the download or install button when prompted. The system will handle the rest, and you'll see a progress bar to help you track how long it might take. Make sure your device stays connected to a stable internet connection during this process to avoid interruptions. After the updates have downloaded and been installed successfully, it's important to restart the app to apply those changes fully. Closing the app and then reopening it might seem like a small step, but it ensures all the updates are properly integrated. In some cases, you might get a notification prompting you to restart, but if not, you can simply close the app yourself and relaunch it. By following these steps, you can be confident your Microsoft apps are up to date, including the latest Copilot features. These updates can enrich your productivity and enhance your user experience significantly. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check back for more useful tech tutorials and tips.